containment zone and section 144 has been imposed in Badhal village of Rajouri district due to the outbreak of an unidentified illness that has claimed 17 lives. District administration authorities have established checkpoints on all routes leading to the village and have been providing facilities from ration to drinking water. Restrictions have been imposed of public and private gathering to prevent the spread of this mysterious disease. We've been seeing earlier also there have been this mysterious illness that has claimed at least 17 lives in Jammu and Kashmir, says Rajouri, and it has been traced to a cadmium poisoning, and Union Minister Jitendra Singh has revealed that, and there's a toxin that is behind that, a mystery toxin behind this unexplained deaths in Jammu and Kashmir, says Rajouri. And meanwhile, leaves of doctors have also been cancelled as cases of mystery illness rise in Jammu and Kashmir, says Rajouri. And the deaths in this village includes 14 children have caused widespread panic over the past month, leading to the formation of a central team to investigate the case. We have with us my colleague Ajay Jandal joining us on the telecast. Ajay, in terms of this disease, this mystery illness that we have been seeing, now what exactly is the situation on the ground? And in terms of this mystery toxin that is behind the unidentified illness in Jammu and Kashmir, what are the investigation revealing so far?
See, there is no success as of now as far as this finding of disease and infection is concerned, because they say that they haven't found any kind of infection or virus in the bodies those who have died and even those who are admitted in the hospital. But yes, authorities, they basically are trying to ensure that whatever precautions they could take, they have to do it, and that's why the Badhal village, it was declared a cantonment zone about 2 days back, and all the families living over there, those who are relative of those who have died or other families, they are shifting them to the Rajouri hospital and nursing college so that they can be monitored 24/7. Other than that, they basically want to break the chain. If any infection is lying over there in that village, in any food, in any atmosphere, that chain will be broken, and that's why they have shifted them to the safer location. Yesterday, medical superintendent of Rajouri hospital, he says that they have they have about 7 patients, those who are admitted in the hospital, and some of them, they started recovering. That is a good sign if they are recovering, and even those who are in SMGS hospital or in PGI Chandigarh, they are in a better position, though, so that indicates that something good is happening. But definitely after 7 deaths and a number of other patients, those who are admitted in the hospital, it is challenging for the locals as well as the administration to find out the reason, that what exactly was the reason behind it, because during the investigation, what they have found is only the neurotoxins which was present in the bodies and brains of the people, those who have died. So that is a major challenge, that how these basically neurotoxins are developing in the bodies.
All right, Ajay, stay with us. We have more developments coming in. Investigation of the poison is going on at the Indian Institute of Toxicology Research, Lucknow. No evidence of any kind of infection, virus or bacteria has been found in the sample. So, Ajay, as we have earlier also talked about this, there's no evidence of virus has been found. It's neither a virus or a bacteria. So what exactly caused this mystery illness in Jammu and Kashmir? And in terms of also how prepared are the health infrastructure and departments in tackling the number of deaths and the number of people that are coming into the hospital?
That is the major challenge, as we were discussing, that basically department, whosoever is basically investigating, whether it is ISMR, whether it is health department people, whether it is from the virology department of different states and other. This says that during the investigation they haven't found anything like no virus, no bacteria, no disease was found in the bodies, and that's why they were surprised to see that people are dying, but without any disease. People are losing their lives in the hospital, and they are not able to do anything because when people they admitted in the hospital, they are very conscious. They are in they are just having a fever or a vomiting. but after some day their health keep deteriorating, and then they died. So this was the situation on the ground, and that was a matter of concern for the authorities. That's why number of different states and their senior faculties of the health department, they came here, they visited the spot, and they tried their best to get the do the sampling and other things of the everything, whether it is a food grains, whether it is a pesticide, whether it is a atmosphere, and whether it is a water and other things. That is totally checked over here, but nothing was found. But only presence of the neurotoxins in the bodies, that was something which basically making people surprised that what exactly is happening, who are behind it, and why it is developing in the body. So for that purpose, continuous researches are going on to find out the reason that how these neurotoxins are developing, how poisonous things are developing in the brain, which basically claiming the life of the civilians over here.
All right, Ajay, thanks for that. Moving on, the